Oh yeah.
Little dinky thing.
Grass monster! Wheels, are you slow rolling that back?
No, I'm hauling with it.
You're going quick?
Yeah.
Try, so do this. So when I'm jigging right now, all I'm doing is I'm letting it sink to the bottom and then I just slow. Oh yeah. I think that's a fish. Yep.
Yeah. What are you talking about? You got one.
Oh, get out of those weeds. Get out of those weeds. Aye. Haha. There we go, baby, on the jig.
Yeah.
That's a good sized bass too. Dude, do you want it? I've got another jig like this. You want it?
We might have to. Nice.
Hell yeah, boy. It's a good sized fish. I caught on. That's my first fish on GoPro. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a big fish, dude. Woo! Look at that baby. Woo! Let's go. That's fun, dude. Huh? Oh yeah. That's like a 3-pounder for sure. Maybe even 4. Woo! It's a good sized fish. Huh? Dude, I'm telling you, throw on this jig, bro. Oh yeah.
Biggest bass you ever caught?
Yeah, this is pretty up there, dude. Ooh, I got him good too. He slammed that, huh? Oh, don't, come on. Hey, easy now. Easy now. Oh, damn. I hammered him. Look at that, dude. That's a good size.
Fish.
Probably 3-pounder. That's a good size. I like that. Another one. I'm just jigging it, dude. Just slow roll. God, look at that. There's some healthy fish in here for sure. Now let's see if I don't eat shit coming back out. Oh, I almost had another one. Oh, I got him. I got him. I got him. Oh, dude, you gotta come over here. Woo, baby! That's even bigger, bro. That's even bigger. Holy shit, dude. Dude, we found the sauce. Look at you. You are that's probably as big as a fish that that's probably the biggest bass I caught ever. I'm gonna break my rod tip just trying to hold this bastard up. All right. You son of a gun. You son of a gun. Oh, he inhaled that, bro. Oh my gosh, he hit that so hard. You know how many times this fish hit this? Dude, that video, he was barely hooked. Look at that. That's a good sized fish, huh?
I think your last one
might be a little bigger, maybe, yeah. Damn. I'm telling you. Yeah, dude, they're healthy fish over here, for sure. Dude, I was reeling that in. he smoked it. I set the hook and I was like, man. Then he smoked it again. I tried setting the hook again and I was like, oh, I missed him. And then I was slow rolling it back in. Dude, he hammered that the third time and I was like, oh no, got him that time. Let's go, baby. All right, dude, we need to get you on. We need to get you